The U.S. calendar in the week ahead will be rather busy, highlighted by the Fed's interest rate decision and midterm elections, as well as ISM's non-manufacturing PMI, the latest job openings and labor turnover survey, better known as JOLTS, as well as producer prices and an update on consumer sentiment from the University of Michigan. The market will be generally tuned into the U.S.'s midterm elections Tuesday for any potential market impact on the healthcare sector, among other parts of the economy. The election results will be followed Thursday by the conclusion to the Federal Reserve's two-day monetary policy meeting, where the Fed's decision will follow at the heels of an upbeat employment report for October. The report further cemented strength in the U.S. labor market as economic activity has been rising at a strong rate. Against this backdrop, the Fed's Open Market Committee had elected to raise the target range for the federal funds rate by another 25 basis points to 2 to 2.25% at its previous meeting in late October. Market participants widely expect a fourth interest rate increase for 2018 when it meets in December. In the meantime, Fed Vice Chair Randall Quarles will deliver a speech at the Brookings Institution in Washington, D.C. ahead of the weekend on the current and future state of financial regulation. Elsewhere, investors will get a fully loaded corporate calendar, the long list of events and earnings. Investors eyeing changes in the energy sector, for example, will likely be interested in Mitsubishi UFJ Securities' energy tour at the start of the week, which will include attendees such as Anadarko Petroleum and Cabot Oil and Gas. JP Morgan will also be holding a two-day global oil and gas conference in London that runs from November 5th through the 6th. The events fall amid a recent spike in the cost of crude oil, and while prices have declined recently, the market has become more nervous about U.S.-imposed sanctions on Iranian supply. Also, Robert W. Baird will host its annual industrial conference, which may resonate with those in the market who fret trade-related tariff damage to the industrial space. Among the expected attendees include Boeing, Tesla, Honeywell, Delta Air, and Caterpillar. Baird's event is slated to run from Tuesday, November 6th through Thursday, November 8th. And on the earnings calendar, Devon Energy, CVS Health, Archer Daniel Midland, and Match Group are on the radar for Tuesday, then Qualcomm, Dish Network, and 21st Century Fox on Wednesday, followed by AMC Entertainment, Disney, Lionsgate, CenturyLink, Discovery, and Bojangles restaurant chain on Thursday. In the meantime, select the event calendar option in the IBKR Trader workstation for a full list of U.S. and global corporate events and earnings, dividend schedules, economic data, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine for Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy the week ahead.